Namaskar, myself, Dr. Kamla R. Nagar, Professor and Head, Department of Draviguna, Faculty of Ayurvedic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to share my lecture on Dhataki or Woodfordia fruticosa. Contained of the lecture are general introduction, in which we will read Latin name and family, morphology, properties, useful part and doses, and Ayurvedic preparations. Dhataki is used to ferment asava and arisht in Ayurvedic formulations. Flowers of Dhataki is used in treating acute diarrhea, hemorrhage, ulceration, and skin infection. Powder or paste of the dried flower is recommended for treating wounds. Traditional healers use small dose of the flowers for stimulating the central nervous system. Dhataki is a deciduous shrub reaching height up to 5 to 20 meters. Branches are long and multi-spreading. The stem is fluted and long. Bark is smooth and reddish-brown in color with very thin and small fibrous stripes. Leaves are about 5 to 9 centimeter long, oblong or ovate and lanceolate. Flowers are bright red in color. Small flowers grow singly or in groups along the twig and branches. Fruits are capsules about 1 centimeter long, ellipsoid and membranous, and it contains very minute brown colored smooth seeds. Shrub is overloaded with bright red beautiful flowers in the month of February to April, and its leaves shade off and new leaves appears. Its fruits appears from April to June. This is the view of Dhataki. Latin name is Woodfordia fruticosa. Family is Lideraceae. Common name is Dhataki. English name is fire flame bush. Leaves and twigs of this plant produce a yellow dye that is used for printing. Petals of this plant yield a red colored dye. Ayurvedic properties of Dhataki is in Ras it is Kashai, in Gun it is Laghu, Ruksh, in Virya it is Sheet, in Pipak it is Katu. Effect on doshas are Pitta Kaf Shamak. Parts to be used is leaf, flower, roots and gums. Dose is 3 to 6 gram of powder. Therapeutic properties of Dhataki are flowers are astringent, analgesics, immunomodulatory. Dhataki possesses various properties like fertility agent or garbhasthapak, antidiarrheal, and useful in viscer, fish, and menstrual disorders. Methanolic extract of Dhataki is very effective against bacterial infections. Bark of the tree is pungent, acrid, cooling, and uterine sedative. Bark is used for treating various disorders like leprosy, erysipelas, thirst, dysentery, and various diseases of blood. Decoction of Dhataki flowers are used for treating vaginal prolapse, anal prolapse, and also used for gargles to cure dental disorders. Flowers and roots are very effective in curing rheumatism, lumbar or rib fracture, and foot and mouth diseases. Dhataki is used to cure diarrhea, piles, and dysentery. Dry flower powder is sprinkled over wounds and ulcer for quick healing and to stop discharge and granulation. For the local burns on body, Dhataki flowers are applied along with coconut oil to relieve burns. This is the market preparations available of Dhataki. Thanks for sharing your time with me. If you find any difficulty to understand the topic, please comment in comment box. I will try to resolve it. Thank you. Thanks once again.